East, the Deputy President District Commissioner, District Chairperson, the Chief Administrative Officer, technical team, the Acholi Secondary School Sport Association and your executive, the students in their respective capacity, the Board of Governors of Batoro 6 Secondary Schools, the Chairperson District Service Commission, Tido Wano Wen Mawaki Nanotokin Apuyoba. For visitors, my name is 𝔻𝕚𝕤𝕐𝕠, the resident district commissioner, Baganda. My lord, we are really very honored to have you here with us. I'm not sure whether the national team will even have a big person like you representing them. So we don't take this for granted. We appreciate you so much for being part of it. And to our students who are here, I know I heard a lot from you, the chairperson, how you are going to travel up to Brazil if you perform very well. And I need to request you to take the sport very seriously. The chairman has just given an example. There are so many. So as you normally go towards Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, you can as well be one of them. So you shouldn't take it for granted. And if you hear the money which those footballers normally get, I think they're the highest paid people in the entire world. So when we are here, we are not here for a joke, we are here for a very serious exercise. And you should take it as a profession so that at least you are able to achieve your objective. To the association, I'm really honored because of the unity exhibited. I'm sorry I was not here at the beginning, but as you mentioned, I think our office was fully represented. So before I mention one or two things, let me introduce two people, or let me introduce members of the District Security Committee, which we normally sit together, if they can rise up. The DPC, I don't know whether he's there. I have the district chair, which I already mentioned his name, and I have my deputy, Susan Akot, who is also a member. Then I also have the Chief Administrative Officer up there. His name is 𝔻𝕚𝕤𝕐𝕠. The other name is a bit difficult. So let me stop. Today we are really honored, and your unity which you exhibited here, as I put it, I wish it should also inculcate. Oh, the DPC is there. Mr. Paul is just up here, plus his men. I need also to appreciate their work together with my deputy, which you reported heavily that they help you and they provided the security. Thank you so much, the DPC. I want to just mention about the unity, which you are doing. I encourage you to exhibit it and go forward. I wish it should also now come into other perspective, like I know we are here for sport, but if I'm for what you're doing, I would be really very grateful if it could also go along with the political side in Acholi sub-region. Through this, I think we shall move far. Now that we have got a very good example from you, I wish we should copy it so that at least we move Acholi to some angle. My lord, I need to mention something outside. Now that you are here, it's not easy. It's a rare opportunity to get you here. And as a district, or the chairperson of the District Security Committee, we are not doing very well, especially the warriors. We are always being attacked so much. The reason why I'm bringing this, I know you are aware of it, but if I just request if you could take some lead on behalf of even both Adago and Kiku, where leadership at a different level. I remember during your time when you were a member of parliament for Baganda County, similar thing happened where you rally all the leadership of Acholi parliamentary group, whether the council leaders, all work so that we see what is it, so that we can stop this criminality which is going on. The reason why I'm saying this is there are a lot of counter accusation among people. Someone will say, I'm the one doing this, the other one is not doing the other one is not doing this, even including incitement. I need to beg the organizer that I'm sorry, I've gone astray a bit, but this is starting live. And during your presence here, when you are here, I think we lost close to 3 or 4 people when you are here. And you know, when a person died, he's not going to come back. So that's the reason why I'm making an appeal to my Lord, if he could do at his level, take some initiative. To our people, Mukika Kene, Vera Twan Point Boku, Yayo Meguni, Upero Kiwar, Mapea Dada, Ginumo, Bermokano Marat, Motime, Pere, Aligoni Umete, Kibero, and Kiteno Inu, where near Malachin, Yawanong, Yopma Pip, and Loyal Kidene. Kidong, Wundo Wai Makonde Pido, is my humble request that I pray for Johnny Mercy, and we shall give all you people all the support necessary to make sure you actually excel at the national level. Then, as I about to conclude, remember in the opening session, Honorable Minister of Economic Monetary was supposed to be here, but because of other engagement, she was not able to come. She's still in Australia. I was actually talking to her this morning. She's also going to give all the full support. Now that I had the request from you, I will also relay the same information to her, so that at least she's able to give you the support. This is necessary. I don't want to take a lot of time here. I appreciate all of you who are here. Let me take the honor and privilege to invite my Lord Chief Justice to come and give me.
Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.lohfoco.site.